Hello everybody, good afternoon, it's Wendy here from Wendy's Craft Den. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator. Now today I've got a very quick cards for you. What it is a dear friend of mine is expecting a baby any time now. Well, not now, I think she's got about 3 weeks to go, so everything's going well, so I thought I'll make her a card. Now then, what I've done is, this is just one of the note cards. I'll show you them now. Right. These are the note cards. I can't remember how many's in there. I think it could be about 20. And they come carded envelopes, so that's all you need to buy is a pack and you're away. Well, apart from stamps and stuff. But these are very good buy, these are. Right, so I'm using... fold it in half like that, and then I've got a bit of stamping to do as well now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use I'm using the grid there to line up my saying, and it's so tiny, so small, so loved by all. Now with this card, you've got a smooth side and you've got a rough side. Well, I rather like the rough side of this, so I think I might stamp on there today. Now, also I'm using Archival ink. I don't know what's wrong with my memento, whether it's running low or running dry or whatever, but I'm not getting the nice crispiness that I'm getting from this. Right, hopefully this will work first. Can you see that there? Yes, of course you can. Of course you can, Malcolm. Right, putting that there. And I'm going to stamp in the middle, because I'm not too sure. It didn't cut to the same length, so I'll have to cut off a bit. So these are the red rubber stamps, so you don't need to have a stamping mat underneath it, because they've got their own little cushion. Right, so I'm going to clean that stamp. I will say, however, that the Archival ink, it is waterproof, so you might find that you've got a bit of a stain on there. That doesn't stop your card from your stamp from working. So where have I did that now? Oh, I'll stick it there. I'll find it in a minute. Now this little piece, I've done this off camera. Because I didn't want you to see the outs and ouches of me going on. What I've done, I've cut an oval, and as you can see all on the back, I've taken the lace round and used a glue gun to go all the way around. This is a glue gun I used, 21607 glue gun. I bought this from Hobbytech, and I must tell you, it's the best glue gun I've had, because it just gives exactly the right amount of glue. It didn't go spludge all over the place. Right, so now then, I'm going to decide now which way round I want this. I want it like that. No, I'll have it like this, because I might stick some more little bits and pieces on then. Right, so the next thing I want to do is I want to use this little mummy and baby rabbit, because they are so cute. Oops, that's not straight, Wendy. Ooh, sorry. I'm in a big bashy mood today, aren't I? Now I'm hoping this works, because otherwise I'm going to do all that again. I'll just check that I've got everything. Everything is inked. Look at the little baby face. Yeah, everything is inked. So I'm going to try and get this as central as possible. If it isn't, then don't worry about it. It isn't... There's not going to be the car police come out and get you because you were a bit... I'm glad, because all of my sayings usually upskew if. Just leave it a bit so the ink can permeate the card. There we go. Oh, that tweet. Now, I'm using pink because they actually found out that they were having a little girl. So I thought, yes, that'd be lovely. I'm not going to press too hard on this now. Well, what I'm going to do first, I'm going to get this centralised, and then that's got a bit of time to dry then, hasn't it? So, let me see now. No, that doesn't look straight to me. Right, if I got it up there, and there, well, it is straight. Isn't that funny? Just, well, never mind. Right, where's my glue gone? Here we go. Oh, now I'm going to dimensionalise it. Is this such a word, just dimensionalised? I don't know. I think it belongs in the dictionary of Wendy. Some of the words, they sound like they should be words. I'll just dimensionalise this. Yeah. Right, I'm going to watch now because I don't want to be... Just going to pull that one off a minute. Oh, better take these off as well, hadn't I? The other dimensionals, you get these little sticky covers or non-sticky covers, and you will find them everywhere. But trust me, they will be in your bedroom everywhere. Don't know how they get there, but there they'll be. Right, I'm just going to put that now just off the bottom. A little bit on the inside of that, so I'm going to just to take it even, and then go. There we go. I'm just going to take that tiny little bit on the side to make up for that bit. Now I'm going to put dimensionals on here as well. Well, it's been a few really lovely days here in Pembrokeshire, in Wales. I don't know what the weather's going to be like next week, because I've had, well, it's going to rain. Another one is going to snow. And the other one says it's going to be sunny, and one says hail. So it's typical Welsh weather. You can decide what, no idea what any of them is going to do. Well, weather is weather, isn't it? Right, just going to pop this up there. And there we are. A little girl card. Baby girl card. So tiny, so small, so loved by all. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.